Welcome, this is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past question. Question number 1. And to this question, the instructions say we choose the option that is most opposite a minute to the word italicized, and the word italicized say is ignore. Ignore is the italicized word, and the sentence say he advised his wife to ignore visitors. He advised his wife to ignore visitors. Option A say attend to. B say eavesdrops on. C say great. D say meddle with. E say quarrel with. Of course, when we talk of the opposite of ignore, quarrel with cannot, and as a matter of fact, indirectly, quarrel is synonymous to ignore too. Yes, it's synonymous to trouble. Then when we talk of meddle with, means to go with or up with. Then great has to do with salutation. Then eavesdrop has to do with to hear a conservation. To hear a conservation. Question. One is one that one is not intended, and so the opposite of ignore is attend. So when you ignore somebody, you don't ignore means no attention, and the opposite will be attention. So option A is correct. So attention, he advised his wife to give attention to visitor. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.